This is the new WYZE Cam Pan version 2. This is a 1080p pan-tilt-zoom indoor monitoring camera. It will come with color night vision, motion, and sound detection, home security camera that works with Alexa and your Google Assistant. And this is the update to this, which is the WYZE Cam version 1. Here is what the WYZE Cam version 1 looked like. It was a really amazing cam and pan and extremely affordable. Kind of like a game changer in the space. But let's unbox and open our WYZE Cam version 2 and see what does color night vision bring to the table. So easy to set up on your WYZE. I'm going to walk you through all these steps. I'll show you how easy it is to set up. And this will pan and tilt to see an entire room, night as clear as day. It will rotate about 360 degrees. It cannot rotate all the way around, but it will rotate so you can move it and track it whichever direction you need it to go. And here is the camera, and this is the camera, and here are the cables that come in the box along with a sticker. So you get a sticker, I'm backed, and a quick start guide. So this is the quick start guide. This is the version 1, this is the version 2. And here we have our cables. You'll be getting your charger along with your charging cable. This is still using a micro USB, so not USB-C yet. Not USB-C yet. It's about the same charging block as before. WYZE Cam version, the new version versus the old version. What's the difference? What's the difference? I mean, physically, can you guys really even see a difference physically? Like if I was to spin this and I was to take it around, would you be able to tell the difference? I mean, one thing I do notice right off the bat is on the version 2, which is right here, they changed the grill design, and the USB that was plugged in here is no longer here. On the version 2, you will be getting more features. So both will come with 1080p full HD. Both will come with some type of night vision. The new one will come with the color night vision that you find in the new WYZE Cam version 3s. And you have the two-way audio. You have 24/7 recording, free cloud storage. That's the same. Motion and sound detection, that's the same. Person detection is going to be updated on your version 2. You have full-length motion recording. That's about the same. 360 and 93 degrees pan and tilt. That's the same. 120-degree viewing angle. Just about the same. About 120, and the 110-second quick rotation speed, the same. So the true difference is the color night vision, the improved speed in terms of their processor. It's going to be moving a little bit faster. So the beefed up processing power allows it to kind of just track faster and move faster. Here is the WYZE Cam version 2 and the version 3. The difference between the WYZE Cam version 2 and the 3 was similar to what you're experiencing now or seeing between the cam pans. And we've plugged in both of our cameras, and in order to properly set up our WYZE in the app, what you're going to be doing is that we will be pressing the plus button and it will say add device. And now that this has been turned on for the first time, you can see it is booting up. It takes about 15 seconds total. We will be installing our SD card. So this is what we're going to be recording to locally. So we have our setup button. We're going to hold that down for 3 seconds until it gives us a voice prompt.
Ready to connect.
Ready to connect. That means it's going to be able to connect. We're going to go into our setup guide here, and we're going to click camera, and we're going to click WYZE Cam version 2 cam and pan. We got next. I heard that. It did say ready to connect. It's going to ask me to pick my network. Connected via Wi-Fi, via 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It's going to scan the QR code below with your WYZE Cam. So this is how you do that. You're going to take your WYZE camera here, and you let it scan it.
QR code scan.
QR code scan, please wait. So the entire process should take you, if you're already on the WYZE, maybe 2 minutes.
Setup completed.
Setup completed. New device, we're going to name this the WYZE Cam version 2. So here is what the camera is seeing at the moment. And you can control it, just this is a cam and pan. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing by recording. So we're going to press our record button. And currently we are recording everything I'm doing. we're going to do motion tracking. So right now, if I move, it's going to be detecting me and it's going to start looking for me. So it's noticing my movement, and you guys notice? And the motion tracking on the version 2 is a little bit faster. I will say it's a little bit faster. Turn off motion tracking. We're going to turn off motion tagging. We've turned off our lights here, so let's see what it looks like in a dark space. This is our WYZE Cam version 1. We hit record. We're gonna rotate it.
This can also have the sound. This also has motion tracking. Now let's see the motion tracking in action. So we've activated it. And we've activated motion tracking.
I mean, the WYZE Cam and Pan version 2 is going to have features that are not on your WYZE Cam version 1. That is going to be color night vision. It is also coming with a faster processor. It's going to be more responsive, and load up times will be shorter on the WYZE Cam version 2. Now, is it an absolutely necessary update of the WYZE Cam version 1? If your WYZE Cam version 1 is working great, I don't think so. I think this is still going to be, the WYZE Cam version 1 is still a great cam and pan camera. But the version 2 is just giving you that color night vision, and it's just going to allow you to do better monitoring, similar to the upgrade from the WYZE Cam version 2 to the WYZE Cam 3. You didn't necessarily need to upgrade, but if you wanted the IPX5 and you wanted the color night vision, that was the purpose of the upgrade with a faster processor. It's similar here. This is still doing a great job. It still records everything and you still monitors your pets, but the WYZE Cam Pan 2 is gonna be delivering a more premium experience, and it has that siren built in. So a lot of new features, but still has the best of the WYZE Cam version 2s. The color night vision is really the main key feature. So check it out. This is the WYZE Cam Pan 2.